Alright guys, here we go in South Beach, Miami. Let's go eat at the diner.
What are you getting?
I don't know yet. Look at Will Smith. Pretty cool. There's the baby salad.
Beautiful.
Here's the lentil soup. Alright guys. Oh, thank you. There's the ribs. The mac and cheese, the coleslaw. What'd you get, man? What'd you get? Turkey and what? Coleslaw?
And mashed potatoes.
And mashed potatoes. Wow. Everything's looking good. We'll review it in the car. Yeah, I had to put the flash on for you guys. Look at that. What are you thinking, Ma?
It's delicious.
Oh, yeah. They already added the tip.
They're on point.
Yeah, here was the view, guys. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's very nice here.
Let's get out of here. All right, Mom. So what did you think of everything?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, 1 to 10?
10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10, guys.
Good.
Definitely got to come check it out.
Hang up, baby.
Yep, great place. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so what did you really think about the restaurant? Like, it's great, right? I just thought we were going to get breakfast there, but they surprised me with a great dinner.
The diner's always good.
Yeah, she called it, man, and it did not disappoint, guys.
Yeah.
So
They took that diner from Ohio and transplanted it, right?
wow, yeah. So yeah, guys, we
And
just,
they run it great.
oh yeah, the guy was on point, dude. He kept refilling everything,
The
and
food costs just as much as any place else, and they give you a lot of food.
yeah, guys,
And
really.
they're on point. The food's good. It's fresh.
Will you go back?
Yeah, or you go back.
See, like, this is we're from Palm Bay. Like, we don't have this in Palm Bay.
Yeah.
You know, it's sad, dude. But yeah, it was a great time, man, and you got to go check it out. We've been here once before, so check out that vlog. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching.